guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really good. I'm back with another recipe. So this recipe is going to be gluten free and it has no sugar, refined sugar, and it has yogurt in it. So it's a very different recipe, but it tastes really good and the tea cake turns out very soft. So let's get started. So let's bake a gluten-free and refined sugar-free yogurt cake. So I've taken a bowl and then after that I'm adding some yogurt into it. You can even use Greek yogurt, that's fine. If you are using homemade yogurt and all, just make sure ki you use the thicker part and not the water. Now I'm going to add some oil and then after that I'm going to add some date syrup. If you're not using date syrup, you can use honey, you can use rock and sugar, you can use coconut sugar, any sugar substitute is fine. Stevia I don't use normally use in my cakes because I always feel that uska aftertaste is not very good for the cakes. Like I always get a bitter taste. Now after that I've added a little bit of white vinegar, but you can add lemon juice if you feel like. Now whisk this really well till everything is incorporated inside. And then after that what we are going to do is we're going to add our flours. So for flours, what I have done is I have used oats flour and maida replacer. So the maida replacer that I use, I'll put the link in the description. You can use that. If you don't want to use it, you can add oats flour and rice flour. Whole wheat flour is also fine. But just make sure that every texture, every flour that you use, usme water content is going to be very different. So you might have to add a little bit of extra of water. Also for maida replacer, when I say always purchase a maida replacer which has only rice flour, it has only tapioca flour and corn flour and xanthan gum. Like only these four things have been written, because other different maida replacers, the only problem is that they'll have like chickpea flour and different other flours in it, so the texture in the cake it does not come out that good. But if you take something with rice flour, xanthan gum and corn flour, it will come out good. So I've added baking powder, baking soda also in this recipe, and then I'm adding a little bit of extra water. So you just need to add little bit more water till the batter gets like really soft. So once that is done, I'm going to take, I've preheated my oven for 10 minutes, baking it at 180 degrees for I think 20-25 minutes made the cake was ready. So as you all know, now you can see the texture. This is going to be a little thicker. So don't worry about it because it's yogurt and the batter will not be like very thin. So now I always take a cake ring. If you've seen all my previous recipes, I always use a cake ring. It's much easier to use than a proper cake tin. So I've added all the batter. Now I am going to just smoothen it out. So if you put like a lemon juice into it, so it will be a nice lemon yogurt cake. So you can even try it this way. If you want to add some nuts and all, everything you can add, and it will just give a different texture. Also, I keep posting a lot of healthy recipes on my Instagram page, and I conduct a lot of workshops. So if you are interested, you can follow us. All the description is given in the link. And also, I put all the links in the description box. And now you can see that the cake has turned out to be super soft and nice. Always cool down your cake before slicing it. It's super soft, you can see. And now I have dust some little bit of icing sugar on top of it, and then you can see the slice. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.